What is up, guys? In this video I'm going to be going over the van that I bought on Facebook Marketplace for $1,200, a 2000 GMC Safari passenger van. Completely disgusting. We gutted it out, we took out the carpets, took out the seats, and then my brother put in vinyl floors, we built a bed, and then Bree and I made it a little homey, and now it is the new adventure van that we're going to be taking all over the States for road trips and all that stuff. Just one note for this video, this entire conversion took place over I think 3 months during pretty much the course of the entire coronavirus pandemic. So there are points where, you know, the filming was a little bit kind of all over. And also my brother converted the floors for me while I was quarantining in Colorado. So that is why the vinyl floors just kind of happened like that in the video. Anyways, let's jump right in. Hope you guys enjoy. So I'm here with Brian. Yo! We are gonna do step 2 of the van conversion. Got the seats out, and now we're gonna take all the carpet out and hopefully put in hardwood floors. Not today, we're just taking the carpet out right now. Right this way. Get it? You think that's gonna clip back in?
I mean, maybe if I don't break it. I'm just trying to get this loose to get the carpet out. That's all. You ain't kidding.
Taking the carpet out. Look at that.
Give it to me. Nasty. This is nasty.
Yeah, it is. How's she feel? Blade? Like a razor blade? Oh! Damn, son! You know, look nice and pretty without this ugly ass carpet.
Get it out!
Just throw it to the ground?
Get away from me!
So, as you guys know, I copped this off Facebook Marketplace. I don't know the first thing about cars. I called Brian when I was buying it, and we got just kind of the stuff that we needed checked out. But right now, we're just gutting it because we're gonna put in some floors. Brian's scoping it, but we're gonna take out these seat belts next, I think, and go from there.
So yeah, you'll have one shelf, one door here. One good.
What is that noise?
It's the thing retracting.
What? Very cool.
Get out of there.
Is it hooked? Right here. Crazy as hell. Nasty ass thing.
Here, let me grab this end.
Yeah, you might have to. mattress in the van and kind of get it preloaded. We're heading off in a few days, and I just got the van back from the shop. We got its differentials fixed. There was just some stuff that was leaking. Here's my nice balance that they sent me and all the crap that they did. I don't understand anything about cars, but it sounded like something I had to get done. But it was probably the last big expense that's gonna go into the van. So under the bed, there's kind of like 3 big sections. One that you can kind of reach from the trunk, and it's the most easily accessible. And then the front 2 halves kind of flip up, or you could reach under and grab it. Pretty accessible, but not as easy. And there's one corner far from the door that's the hardest spot to access. So the stuff that I'm probably not gonna use that much, I'll probably just kind of stuff under there because I'm not gonna be accessing it on a frequent basis. So for example, like this skim board, this sleeping bag, and this tent. In case we go camping, most of the time we'll just be sleeping in the van, but it doesn't hurt to have a tent. It's pretty cheap, it's from like Target anyways. And then here is the bed. And it's a queen size mattress, so I'm gonna have to cut it down because the full wasn't enough, but this was too big. And then Bree ordered a little vacuum to the house, and it has a little car outlet for it. So this back piece is one big piece. You can see where it goes to, like right there. And these are the most accessible stuff, so that'll probably be where like Bree's suitcase goes and all my clothes. And for this one, this is pretty accessible. And then for this one, also pretty accessible. And both of these fold up, which is really nice. But when the mattress is on there, all the bed sheets and stuff like that, it's gonna be definitely super annoying. So that back corner right there, since there's no door on this side, is where stuff that I don't use often is gonna go, like the tent you can see, I'll put the sleeping bag, and maybe the skim board under there if I can fit it. Otherwise I'll tie that to the top. But yeah, this one's accessible, just that back corner that's pretty tough. Just barely fits. Can't really film myself doing this. My hands are already super messy, but I got the first coat down for the curtain rods. Probably gonna do one more. Bree might get mad at me when she sees this, but I'm making the curtains right now, and I'm definitely not getting it cut by a professional fabric person. Right now, I've got this nice blue sheet that I picked out, just washed it and dried it. Now I'm making some measurements, and I am making the curtains. And it's a little ghetto, but if you ask me, gets the job done. We have a cabinet. So that blue bin was gonna go there, but that'll probably just go somewhere under. But we're gonna give that a cleaning when we get it because it's pretty dusty and dirty, but that should be perfect.
In case you didn't notice, Kevin got the iPhone 11 Pro Max with the ultra wide angle.
What is up, guys? So as you can tell from my living room, we are not ready at all, but we're leaving tomorrow morning. We are doing the bedding right now. I'll show you guys what we're putting on. All right, so if you guys can see, this has a Velcro a Velcro back that you can't really see, and then a third one right there just to keep the curtain extra tight. So the window is covered, and now we still have access to the cup holder, cabinet, and all that stuff, which is super nice. This one's got the Velcro here and here. And same with this one. And these ones will probably move around the most just because when we're driving, we're gonna keep them open. Can you see it right now?
I'm gonna use some electrical tape to kind of cover up this rough edge and make it a smooth little cut.
Here, I'll pull it out.
Strips, and this is going to be our permanent window shade for this window.
Ooh. Nice.
I feel like it'll be fine.
So we are in Target parking lot, and we just wanted to check in case we had to return this. So this is a full mattress pad. Gonna put our freaking drawers to use. Cheesy, what are you doing?
Lint rolling Kevin's cat hair off of the sheets.
Because you're allergic. But we got the sheet on. We're not really sure what size it is, but it fits. And I've got in here a sheet and then a blanket.
So these little compartments in the back that would be very useful for something, not sure where what, is full of this gunk, like nasty, wet, goopy stuff. So I poured ammonia in there and I'm going to try to clean it out. It's been soaking for a few minutes now. Wish me luck. We should have done this before we put all the bedding on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gunk.
You can see my reflection in the shit down there.
Oh, it smells like shit. Oh.
It's ammonia. Also, this is like in my way. Oh, my eyes. It's burning.
You okay?
I can tell you're concerned.
Oh, it smells so bad. So the van is finished. It looks like a piece of crap from the outside, but that's exactly what we want because we don't want anyone touching our stuff. But it is finished. So we kept the front kind of as is. Bree added a little carpet to keep it homey. We did hit the road, so I'm a little late on filming the end of this video. Got trash bag, toiletries, you know, cup holders. We got a plant and a diffuser. And this is kind of our groceries. And I'll turn around to the other side so you guys can see the rest of kind of what we have put in. Bathroom part 2. It's kind of how we started that in South America. But yeah, the floors are in, the bed frame is in. And as you guys saw, the bed frame hinges up on this side and that far side. But we got nice little compartments. So back there, it's like tools and stuff. And when we get to Denver, we're gonna put cooking equipment in there. Tent and sleeping bag back in that corner because that's the hardest spot in the car to access. And just kind of bins for organization. We didn't do too much in the conversion. Just kind of floors and bed. We got this little shelving unit, and that's her favorite thing.
I love drawers.
She loves little cabinets to find all her stuff to sneak into. And then, yeah, we just, you know, added the little curtain rods and everything. So it's a pretty simple conversion, but to be honest, like, it's all we need. And, you know, in the last few years, life has changed so much for us that we don't really want a long-term vehicle quite yet. We kind of want like a little crappy adventure van, but, you know, it does the job. It's the biggest van that we've had as far as long-term goes. So, you know, it's pretty awesome and it's got everything we need. But I hope you guys enjoyed the conversion video. So stay tuned for lots of adventure vlogs and fun stuff on the way.